cut the corner, back to the left, no brakes, don't panic. Brake, brake. So make your way back right a little bit, then brake towards this cone, hard brake. Harder, harder, off, turn in tight, tight. Like, this car is faster than some of the other cars out there. That was awesome, man. I want to go again. This thing is torquey. Awesome. It's got some crazy power. Guys, stay on the smooth pavement here because it gives you better turn in. And then turn in late now. Harder, harder. And then gas all the way up the hill. This car's got a ton of grip. Hard braking zone, right turn the black line, and then let it run a bit wide. And gas all the way up the hill. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stay right. And then brake hard. Off, turn in nice and tight, then get back on the gas now. And let that all-wheel drive just pull you to the second cone. And then just lift a little bit turning in, and then back on it, pull yourself through. That's awesome, eh? And then brake hard here. Off, turn in, no brakes, no brakes. All the way to the outside, all the way. Same thing in this corner, do not brake, don't brake, don't brake. And then more gas coming out. Wow, awesome.
Moment to you, I see you.
They're gonna let us pass, but wait for the signal. Pass on the left side. Pass left. So make your way back right a little bit, then brake towards this cone, hard brake. Harder, harder, off, turn in tight, tight. Then gas, unwind as you go, gas now. Nice. And then just lift off a little bit, don't brake, don't brake. Cut the corner, back to the left, no brakes, don't panic. Brake, brake, off the brake, stay right. Look left, turn left hard now. And then gas.
Wow, this is
And stay on the gas all the way through here with the all-wheel drive. It'll just pull you around. Don't let off, don't let off, don't let off, don't let off. Don't let off. And then brake, we're going to go do another one. Oh, no, never mind. You overshot it. I was going to say, let's do one more.
Oh, man.
This car's faster than some of the other cars. Yeah, just left out here. That was awesome, man. I want to go again. This thing is torquey. Awesome. It's got some crazy power.
What was your name?
Mike.
Mike.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been fun.
Thanks,
back
man.
seat.
Need an instructor for the trail. Immediately.
All right, well, thanks for the ride.
Thanks for coaching.
See you later.
Oh, yeah.
Bye.